Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I got this look.
Just owe me. If you ain't gang, don't approach me. Hello, ghetto.
So I'm going to be doing today's style on stretched hair, as you can see, and to add some volume I'm going to be using some clip-ins from Kinky Curly Yaki, today's sponsor. They sent me over there my King's 14 inches natural clip-ins. These are the 120 gram bundle and it comes with 9 pieces. This bundle offers 50% coverage, but they do have the option for persons wanting 100% coverage. Because I already have a lot of hair and I just want some volume from this, I'm good with the 50% coverage. I'm going to be styling my blown out hair. I blew out the clip-ins to kind of match my hair, and as you can see, they're basically like a perfect match. Like I said, there are 9 pieces in total, so I have 5 of the 3 clip-in ones and I have 4 of the 2 clip-in ones. So these 2 are the shortest ones, and these 2, while these are they also have 2 clip-ins, these are longer, so you can see that difference here. So both are 2 clip-ins, but these ones are a bit longer. Believe it or not, this is going to be my first time installing clip-ins, so let's see how this goes. This is not a tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you how I put these in my hair, and we'll see what I come up with. I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair. So I'm going to do a back section using my finger the part. So I'm going to start with the longer 2 clip-in variation, and I'm going to just part this back section in 2. I didn't do the best job of blowing these out because I know I'm going to style them with flexi rods, so they don't have to be extreme. So they don't have to be extremely straight. But you're going to open the clip-ins. Can you tell the difference between the clip-ins and my hair? Because I can't. Now I'm going to install the second clip-in, and I'm going to put it right at the top of this back section, and I'm using the 3 clips clip-in. Okay, 2 clip-ins in. So now I'm going to make a part straight around the crown of my head. So in this row, I'm using 2 of the 3 clip-ins to cover the entire row. So since this row is a little bit shorter than the previous one where I used 2 of the 3 clip-ins, I'm using 1 of the 3 clip-ins and 1 of the 2 clip-ins, the longer one of the 2 clip-ins. So all I'm doing is literally opening the clip-ins, pushing them into my hair at the root and clipping them in and clipping them close. Now because like I said, I didn't spend too much time blowing out the clip-ins, but I blew out my hair yesterday. So was it yesterday? Did I blow my hair yesterday? Or was it the day before yesterday? I don't remember, but I blew out my hair beforehand. so my hair is straighter than the clip-ins, but none of that matters because I'm gonna put flexi rods in. Okay, so of the 9 pieces that I got, I installed 8 of them, so I just have 1 of the 3 clip-ins left over. This is a lot of hair, as you can see, so I'm not gonna force that in, but this is the volume I want for the style that I'm going for. Outside of the clip-ins being a bit more textured than my hair, and that's because I blew out my hair straighter than the clip-ins. They basically blend perfectly. Okay, so now it's time to style. I know that you've been hearing me say I'm going to do a flexi rod set, and while I have out my flexi rods, I'm thinking about a braid out instead. So flexi rods or braid out? Decisions. I think I'm gonna do a braid out instead of the flexi rod, so let's get to it. This is a lot of hair, so to control all of this, I'm going to section it off, front pieces. I'm gonna be using the Do Mousse Staff to install the braids. Not too much because I don't want my hair to completely revert. So that the end is on really straight out and sticking out. So my hair is all braided up with the clip-ins. So to set this and make sure that the braids are dry, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for, I don't know, as long as I feel like it takes to dry. And then I'll come back with the finishing results after I take them down and let you guys know my thoughts. So these are my results, and let me just say I am in love with the way my hair came out. These clip-ins provided me the volume that I was looking for. It's so full, it's so big, the definition is there. They took to the curl and they blended perfectly with my natural hair. If you guys are interested in trying this hair, you know I got a discount code for you. You can get 15% off using the code HAIR15 until March 1st. I'll put the code in the description box so you can see it. So go ahead, check them out, browse the website, use my code if you want to purchase anything to get some money off, and I'll see you guys in my next video.